Big news for creators everywhere. YouTube's multi-language audio is now available to all creators after a 2-year pilot. That means your videos can now speak more languages, literally. Back in 2023, YouTube tested this feature with a limited group, like Mr. Beast, Mark Robber, Jamie Oliver. They experimented with third-party dubbing services until YouTube built an AI-powered auto-dubbing tool that uses Google's Gemini technology to duplicate a creator's tone and emotion in other languages. And it paid off. Creators who added multi-language tracks saw over 25% more watch time coming from non-primary language viewers. Jamie Oliver, for example, tripled his views after adding dubbed versions. YouTube is also testing multi-language thumbnails that adapt the text based on the viewer's language settings, making those videos more visible and clickable globally. With this rollout happening over the next few weeks, creators worldwide will get access to auto-dubbing. No more relying solely on translation services or subtitles. Videos will sound native. This isn't just about making content accessible. It's about building a truly global audience. If your video only speaks one language, you've been leaving viewers on the table. More voices, more reach, more connection. YouTube's new multi-language audio isn't just a feature, it's a bridge. Stay tuned as it goes live everywhere.